So Spotify Daylist playlist, if you like it, you can actually make a copy by tapping the three dot menu, scrolling down to add to playlist, and then tapping new playlist, and there you have it. It will be saved in your library. So if you don't save it prior to the next update on your daylist, it will be gone with the wind, so don't delay. Yep, exactly, because daylist updates every few hours and then it just refreshes and completely new songs are being added. So if you don't save it instantly, it just probably will be gone. So yeah, just tap on three dots and then you can just tap add to your library or something like that. Yeah. Here you have it, pretty cool new feature on Spotify. Give it a try if you're in US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or UK, Ireland.